Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Kingo. In today's video, we're checking out one of the most exciting audio devices in the market right now, the best portable Bluetooth speaker. If you're looking for a portable speaker with powerful sound, colorful lighting, and versatile features, stay tuned. Let's get started. Product features: Bluetooth 5.3 plus EDR. The Away 885 comes equipped with Bluetooth 5.3 plus EDR, ensuring a fast and stable connection with ultra-low latency. It supports essential Bluetooth protocols like A2DP, AVRCP, ACDTP, HSP, and HFP, making it perfect for seamless music streaming and hands-free calls. With a range of up to 10 meters, you get freedom to move without losing connection. Colorful breathing lights. This speaker is not just about sound, it's about style too. The colorful breathing lights pulse and change with your music, creating an energetic vibe, perfect for parties or evening hangouts. Multiple play modes. The Y885 supports 4 playback options: Bluetooth, aux input, micro SD card, and 1+1 Bluetooth connection for pairing 2 speakers. This gives you the flexibility to enjoy your music your way, from phones, memory cards, or even wired devices. IPX5 waterproof rating. Worried about splashes or light rain? Don't be. The IPX5 waterproof build means this speaker can handle a bit of water, making it a great companion for outdoor adventures and poolside fun. Large 3000 mAh battery. Powering the speaker is a 3000 mAh battery, capable of delivering several hours of playback on a single charge. Perfect for long road trips, picnics, or extended jam sessions. Type-C charging port. No more fumbling with cables, the Type-C charging port allows for faster, more convenient recharging. It's the modern standard and adds to the speaker's overall ease of use. 10-watt speaker with diaphragm. Under the hood, the Y885 packs a 10-watt driver paired with a diaphragm to enhance audio quality. The result? Clear highs, detailed mids, and punchy bass. Whether you love EDM, rock, or classical, this speaker delivers a balanced and satisfying sound experience. Pros: advanced Bluetooth 5.3 plus EDR for stable and quick connectivity. Eye-catching breathing lights for added ambiance. Multiple input modes, including aux, micro SD, and Bluetooth 1+1. Water-resistant with IPX5 rating. Long-lasting battery with modern Type-C charging. Rich, powerful audio with diaphragm-enhanced output. Cons: no official battery runtime listed. Not fully waterproof. No built-in voice assistant or app support. Final thoughts. To wrap it up, the Away AY885 is a solid, portable Bluetooth speaker that combines functionality, design, and sound quality at an affordable price point. Whether you're a casual listener or someone who needs music on the go, this speaker checks almost all the right boxes. So, if you're looking for a stylish, reliable, and versatile speaker, the Away U885 might just be your next tech upgrade. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in this speaker, check out the link in the description for the latest price and availability. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more awesome tech reviews, only on Tech Kingo. See you in the next video.